YouTube fam? How's it going, guys? Good morning. It's early morning here in Texas, Fort Worth. As you can see, I got my 5-inch Stingy V2 and the watermelon props, and I got my GoPro Hero 5 session on there. I'm out here to do a video for you guys and do some practicing. I planned for this to be my first actual freestyle video, so I'm gonna try to do some tricks and some freestyle stuff and have some fun and see if I can't do some cool stuff with this drone. It's all ready to go, it's working great, and let's let it rip. Here we go.
I'm gonna rap, boom bap, y'all gonna ask, who's that? Motherfucker came straight from the Midwest, love me in the South Confederates. I ain't even heard no better shit, y'all sound a lot like faded, epidermis still plated. I'm so fucking bulletproof, the 308 you say to wait me. Last hater like damn he ate me. Well you sit right on my plate, B. And lately my appetite been bottomless just like a skank, see? No ass at all, lyrically feel a beat. Fuck it up, not ski, jump it off for the night, wake up, repeat. 3 times in a row, upload iTunes, brand new EP. Yeah, I'm a prototype, I don't accept the left swipe. So don't be tender if you get sniped at the stroke of midnight. I'm weird, a little bit still, infamous still, killing it, no riddling. Addicted to picking apart rap parts, stick bars, and difficult synonyms. I paid $15.99 for 2 quarters, that's how I found many men, no homo. Relax, I'm talking about Curtis Jackson, you little shits. Many men, shit, there ain't many left. You see how these men dress? They wearing women's dresses. What's next? I'm over here stressing. It's fucked up, what's the message? Running laps around you motherfuckers and I ain't even sweating. I ain't talking shit, I'm flexing. Don't be talking shit all reckless. I take these rappers' souls and I wear it like a necklace. How'd we get the gold? It ain't never come from luck. I ain't never give a shit, you think I'll ever give a fuck? If I ever gave a fuck, give it back, you shouldn't have it, yeah? I'm an Indian giver, don't make me call, scalp your head. I got war paint on my ding ding, I rip rap and I sing sing. Just send me to the CMAs, I'll piss off who is winning. They ain't winning shit, we taking it, like Kanye West did Taylor Swift. I pray that this whole industry goes belly up and takes a shit. We making it regardless, honest, all I hear is garbage. I'm just over here, throwing gas, trying to get shit started. Flame retarded, we stay marching with them lethal pencils on us. Throwing hyphens and commas, puncturing hip-hop art. Arteries, murderous words a part of me, but my heart still will change a beat. Born with the murmur, preacher man and 8 cal. Holy shit! Yeah! Reload the clip! Yeah! We don't miss! I ain't trying to hear you, bitch! You can't eat where we sit! Made our way through the rain and the sleet. Getting away, you can lay in the street. What you hear right now is greatness. Take this, turn the volume up on the beat. Crank up the heat until the flames I see. Sipping supernovas out of my canteen. I'm liberating my paved place, but I'm not a star on Hollywood street. Not at all fair, y'all get beat. Talk that shit, but never gonna speak. If you see me in person, your whole family going to church, man. I got you, fam, I ain't a goat. Nope, more of a tourist. I don't take breaks, I paddle foot it. What I mean by that is I floor it. I roll more stone than a hater does, so technically I'm a florist. Dug 2 graves once upon a time, still ain't dead, so fuck 'em. And I might die tonight, but if I do, I'ma be okay. And if I die tonight, at least I stood by the stuff I said. And I might die tonight, but if I do, I'ma be okay. And if I die tonight, at least I stood by the stuff I said. Your seatbelt on, you're gonna need it in a minute. I ain't scared to die, laughing rappers try to ride with me. I'ma make you fall off, cause I pop mad willies. You just suck while I'm sucking on mad titties on bad bitches. Yeah, straight from the countryside, bum a sick, then ask, can I bum a fucking ride? Nice, fuck a record label, Lamborghini looking fresh. Army green paint, mud caked on the headrest. I'm the rooster, no need for career boosters. I'll be blowing up a rest of professional skin floaters. Got a degree in winning, so I'm unable to be a loser. Hip-hop is my drug, bitch, I'm an everyday user. Woo! Ric Flair with them nose hairs and enough coke to kill a hibernating grizzly bear sleeping on me. So it's only fair I jump up in your nightmare like Freddy Krueger ain't worked in 10 years. I'm in their head now, all they see is a guy in the snow, but that's me driving. Who the fuck's called now? I'm in the south, have a North Pole, pal. I can get so dark the sun will be scared to pop out. Discredited for the past 3 years. I know a lot of motherfuckers that owe me beers, and you gonna give it to me. I ain't even saying cheers, I ain't even saying thanks, I ain't even taking one drink. I'll dump it on the ground and tell the bartender you bought it, then scissor kick you when you're non-singing esophagus, then invite you to a hip-hop party around 6 at the corner of 2nd Avenue. Suck a dick. If you still sleeping on me, won't you grab it to just make sure it ain't a chick trying to boost her income, kid. Don't fucking fire me unless you wanna get cremated for making me masturbate while you hang with your ex, baby. Let's be honest, I'm still a top doggy dogging, and I'm hungry and not hardly tired of harsh barking. You ain't got a song that's independently chart topping. You couldn't be a shocking career if it had a fucking dog collar. Hope you like your #1 hit song. I had to buy a lease and pretty much fucking walk you to it, you little bitch. I mean female labradoodle. My raps are Mona Lisa, yours are like half a doodle. I'm rapping for the purse, like a bag to poodle. Country rap, I'm gonna be the fucking last to do it. I killed 5 careers with only words and math. We can't chop it up, but can you dodge a sack? I'ma make you a past rap artifact. My cards are secretly razor blades meant to look like blackjack. Ain't no dodging me, not even with a scat pack. That GT got tension to wreck anybody on the last lap. Whoops, that was an accidental love tap. I was watching this vid of a guy and he was real mad. You could tell he loved her, but she played him, it was real sad. Now my attitude is to rap heads and glad bags. I cannot believe you. Yeah, what the fuck? Now I'm colder than the songs I wrote, and I'm shotgun shame. It's been half a decade. I got 2 dweebs still having me make the short change, and I ain't even seen a short change. You still got ass bars and a dork name. You're a Woody doll that ate too much cake. Oh wait, a cartoon, 100% fake. Looking Pixar, getting picked apart like a demolition derby and only one little smart car. I like square body Chevys. Now you like boss X and daddies, and that's why you and Chris tickle each other on a futon in your faggot Snapchat story. I give an evil grin, you think that you're real man don't bitch like a diva on Instagram. Any hard worker really can't come see the shit. Your last video was a knockoff of Scarface, bitch. Can you even start a chainsaw? Cause Lord knows you ain't got any bar. Oh, hit cop party, more like flipped over bar stool with you and Hoja sitting on it like, dude, this is cool. Peeves, you can't butt heads with me. Shane's last video was only sitting on 3, and on my way home I'll quadruple your stats, cause your square body Chevy be sitting on flat. With your boy in the back screaming, I ain't got gas. You're so non-sharp you couldn't cut dead grass, and you suck more than the best blowjob fact. Every real skin knows you blowing smoke out your ass. Y'all should be like gay redneck porn stars, travel together dressed like queer ass cowboys. Throw glitter at each other, make small cat noises, cause both y'all some pussies with some fuzzy rat toys. Fucking weirdos.
Guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching and making it this far. Please make sure you subscribe and help support the channel. I appreciate all you guys watching, and that was my first freestyle flight with my 5" with the GoPro session on there. As you guys seen, I had a couple of rough landings but no crashes. I gotta unlock my VTX because I'm getting a lot of breakup in the camera. You guys didn't see none of it, but when I'm flying in the goggles, I'm getting a lot of breakup. I'm not even that far away. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of my first freestyle flight. I'm getting the hang of it, and I'm getting confident. And I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.